Hi children, in the last class you have studied about the differently abled people and visual impairment. So today you are going to study about speech and hearing impairment. Means here the people who cannot speak or hear at all. For them it is very difficult to communicate with each other, so they can't share their whatever their needs are there, or to express themselves it is not possible. So they are going to use some sign languages for to express those whatever they are having the ideas or in their mind. Okay, so here the special training is also given for these peoples, the speech and hearing peoples. The schools are also available for that, so they can use that one. So, and also they are going to learn some lip movements. Okay, by seeing that lip movements only they can identify what the other person is telling. Okay, so the partially hearing impaired people, they can use some hearing aids. Hearing aids means some machines will be there to put for the ears. Okay, today technology is very advanced, so many machines are coming to the market, so they can use those hearing aids and they can hear. Here partially hearing means only the half part only they can hear. Those persons, they can use those machines and they can hear properly. Okay, so here for different organs are there in our body. Okay, so in those or the one organ also they can be seen by different doctors. So for them specialized doctors we are going to say. Okay, so here ophthalmologist is a specialized doctor. Ophthalmologist, okay, is a specialized doctor. He is going to see the eye organ, right? Only about eye he is going to check up. And cardiologist doctor is going to see the organ only heart. In the heart any part it is not working or it is suffering from some disease, means they can go and consult the cardiologist, surgeon or specialized doctor. Okay, so like that another examples are also there. The neurologist, he is going to see only the backbone part, means the brain, spinal cord, nerves, whatever it happens, means the neurologist doctor only you have to consult. Okay, the dermatologist is a specialized doctor. He can only see the skin diseases. Okay, next orthopedic surgeon, he is a doctor. What he is going to see the bone fractures. Okay, so next is pediatrician. Pediatrician is a specialized doctor. He is going to see only the children's. Okay, for them you can also call as a child specialist. Okay, so next we are going to the topic, that is old people. So next is the topic, that is old people. So in your home grandparents are there. Are you having the grandparents in your home? So in every home the grandparents will be available, right? So all the grandparents, you have to look after them very carefully and very patiently. Why? Means the grandparents, they need the care and attention towards them. Okay, and they will also tell some past stories of them and also the other stories also. Okay, they will tell for you. Some children are there in your home, means they are the old people, they are going to say the stories. Okay, so like that the old people, they need support and care always. Okay, you have to care them, and by holding their hands when they are climbing the upstairs at that moment, and you have to give the medications, soft diet and medications for them, like by giving tablets time to time and by giving the food. Okay, so this all you have to take care of them. So here some old people, they do not have families, backup families. So where they will go after becoming old? So they will go for the old age homes. So old age homes will be there, where there are many members, they are going to take care of them. So they will go and stay in the old age homes. Okay, so here nowadays it has been changed. Why means the father and mother, they will become busy in their work. Okay, because of their busy time they can't see their parents. That's why they are also going and staying in old age homes. So it should not happen in future. Why means you have to take care of your parents. That is the good work. Okay, so that one you have to do properly. So the 1st October, it is celebrated as Old Age Day. 1st October, it is celebrated as Old Age Day. Okay, this is about the old people. Now, in the old people, here next topic will be the orphans. Orphans means the children will be there. Okay, for them no parents. So where those children go and stay? They will go and stay in the orphanage. Orphanage means that is the institution where the children are taken care by some of the what? Some of the people. Okay, so they are going to fulfill their requirements and they will look after them. Okay, that institution name is called as orphanage. Okay, so I thought all are understood about this topic. This is about today's topic, and and the second lesson, it is going to complete here, up to here. Okay, so in the next class you will get the worksheet of this lesson. Okay, this is, if you have any doubts you can message me. Okay children, bye children.